Hi guys, in this video we will talking about how to make money online. Could you make an extra $200 per month? Sure, but what you need for making online money? First, internet. Second, time. Yeah, with good planning and skills you will get exact amount of money. But what if we were talking about $50 a day or even $100 and more per day? Clearly, you can make money on the internet how much you want. You just have to decide how much of your time it's worth. And depending on your skill set, you could easily make a few $100s. There are two special ways of making money. One of them is active income, second passive income. Active income is tips, salaries, commissions, and income from business. Passive income, you do put in the work once and the money in theory should keep on rolling in. So there are three big platforms where you can actually start making good money. First of all is Upwork.com. Upwork is a big platform for freelancers. With Upwork, you're making active income. On Upwork, you will find a range of top freelancers and agencies, from developers and development agencies to designers and creative agencies, copywriters, campaign managers, marketing agencies and marketers, customer supports as well, and more. Upwork is a great place to find more clients and to run and grow your own business. Freedom to work on ideal projects. On Upwork, you run your own business and choose your own clients and projects. Displaying your best work or highlighting specific experience can and will help you stand out. Also, search projects and respond to client invitations. As the Upwork is a huge platform, wide variety and high pay. Clients are now posting jobs in hundreds of skill categories, paying top price for great work. The greater the success you have on projects, the more likely you are to get hired by clients that use Upwork. Second platform is YouTube. Not a lot of people know this, but you can actually make money with YouTube. If you're considering getting into YouTube to make money, make sure you understand one thing clearly. If you would like to apply for monetization and have AdSense attached to videos, don't forget that creators must have tallied 4,000 hours of overall watch time on their channel with the past 12 months and have at least 1,000 subscribers. Then YouTube start and pay you through AdSense account. How much you can make money on YouTube? Honestly, it's up to you. If your content is king, then people are willing to watch your content. The more views you're getting, the more money you can expect. With YouTube, that you are earning is passive income. Making videos consistently, you can earn more money, as I told already. You can check YouTubers' income through website socialblade.com. There you can see YouTubers' yearly as well as monthly income. Next platform is Fiverr.com. As an Upwork, Fiverr is a huge platform for freelancers. On Fiverr, you can earn $4 per gig. Basically, a gig costs $5, but $1 is charged by Fiverr for providing the platform to make money. Now, the most important thing that most of the people fail to overlook while delivering a gig is the time that they are spending on a particular gig. You should be able to deliver a gig without wasting your time or spending too much on a gig. For example, you take an article of 1,000 words, then it is obvious that you would have to spend a substantial amount of time on this article, and in the end, all you will be getting is $4. That's it. If you liked my current video, please don't forget the subscribe button and turn on notifications for getting news about new videos.